Hi there, here's how you can lock your WhatsApp by doing some easy steps. Just click and open it, and then click on three dots, then go into settings, then click on privacy, and then scroll it down. There you're gonna see the app lock option. You need to click on it, then you can turn it on, and it will have the different option depending on your phone. Like if you're using uh, iPhone, it gonna show you the face lock option, and I'm having Android, so I'm getting the biometric option. Click on, and it will ask you to enter the fingerprint lock of your phone. So I'm gonna do it. There you can see the immediate lock after 1 minute, after 30 minutes. Immediate lock means just as you skip it or archive it, it will be locked. And if it's 1 minute, it will wait for 1 minute, and so on 30 minutes. And there is one more option, show content in notification. Like once you done this like this, it will show the content, whatever received message or alerts, any kind of thing. But when you turn it off, it will not show the actual content, but it will show as at notification, like you have received one message or one phone call, but from whom it will not show it. So this is the all things that you can do it for your personal WhatsApp account. And we will surely have the video for locking the business Instagram as well. Thank you so much for watching the videos. Hope to see you in more.